Hello children, welcome back to online class. So I hope all of you are good. We all knew about the joints and ligaments in our previous class. Today we will know the next part of our body, that is the other part of our body, that is muscles. What? Muscles. Okay, so when we can play, run, walk and do other exercises whenever we want, yes or no? It's all possible because of our muscles in the body. With the help of muscles we can play, run, jump, go here and there with the help of muscles only. These muscles constitutes about 40 to 50% of human body weight. Can you just imagine? Our body muscle consists of 40 to 50% of our body weight. There are more than 600 muscles in our body, and these muscles are made of tough elastic tissues. As you can see in the picture, these muscles are made up of tough elastic tissues. These muscles are attached to the bones with the help of strong fibers called tendons. These muscles are attached with the strong fiber of bones are called as tendons. Each of our muscle has a particular function in our body. Our body is having different type of muscle, and each muscle have different types of functions. We will learn it now, okay? And one more thing, these muscles have special properties of electric excitability, extensibility or contractility and elasticity. Means when we want we can contract our muscle, means keep tight, and when we want we can relax our muscle by losing it down. Okay, now we will see the different types of muscles. So muscles has been divided into three types. First one is skeletal muscle, we can say it as voluntary muscle also. Second one is smooth muscle, it is involuntary muscle. And third one is cardiac muscles. Okay, now we will know more about it. First one, skeletal muscle or voluntary muscle. These skeletal muscles are also called what? Voluntary muscles. These muscles, where did it occur? It found in bundles and are closely associated and attached with the skeleton of the body. Our skeletal muscle closely attached with the skeleton of the body. You can imagine how our skeleton looks, and with that in that our skeletal muscle attached. Okay, just look at the picture here, structure of a skeletal muscle. As I told you, look at the tendon here. Tendon is a fiber which attached to the bone to the muscle. This tendon attached to the bone with a muscle. Understood all of you? The two ends of skeletal muscles are attached to two different bones by the tendon. This bone gets attached with the muscle with the help of this fiber called tendon. I hope all of you understood it. Because these muscles are under our control, that's why we called it as voluntary muscles. And These muscles are found in arms, legs, eyes, tongue, etc. And we use these muscles while reading, walking or running. Okay? Now we came to the next one, that is our smooth muscle. Smooth muscle, other name is involuntary muscles. These muscles don't show any striations and are smooth, hence named non-striated or smooth muscle. Means this muscles looks very smooth and we don't have any striation here. That's why we call it as smooth muscle. These muscles are also called as involuntary muscles because their activities are not under the voluntary control of the nervous system. Because we cannot control these muscles, that's why we call it as involuntary muscles. Okay? And these smooth muscles are found in hollow internal of visceral organ like digestive tract, blood vessels, etc. Like digestive tract and blood vessels, we find this type of smooth muscles. Okay? And these muscles are not under our control, they work without our thinking, that is automatically they work. So these muscles are found in internal body organs like stomach, liver, intestine, lungs, etc. and are not under our control. So these type of smooth muscles are found in stomach, liver, intestine, lungs. Okay? These muscles also help us to moving food through the digestive system. Okay? Now we came to the third one, that is our cardiac muscle. When we hear cardiac, we can relate it with heart. So these muscles are involuntary in action, means we cannot control it. They are found in the walls of the heart. As you can see in the picture, these cardiac muscles are found in the walls of the heart. They make our heart beat. With the help of these cardiac muscles, our heart beats. Can you just imagine? Unlike other types of muscles, the cardiac muscles work throughout our life and never get tired. As we all know, until our heart beats, we are alive. After that, we call dead. So until we alive, our heart and our cardiac muscle work continues. As I told you, these cardiac muscles are also called involuntary muscles because their contraction is not under our control. And one more thing, these cardiac muscles responsible for pumping blood throughout the body also, because it controls our heart and our heart circulates, our heart purifies the blood and it circulates, pumping blood throughout the body. Okay? Both smooth and cardiac muscles help in the movement of materials in the body. Both of the muscles help in the movement of materials in the body. And today I am going to tell you one interesting fact related to these muscles. That interesting thing is, it takes 43 muscles to frown and only 17 muscles to smile. Means frown means to get angry and to get stress. If we will feel angry at one time, our complete body's 43 muscles reacts it, and if we smile, only 17 muscles helps it. So that's why means frownness and angriness is very bad for our health, because so many muscles get stressed at that time. But for smiling, only 17 muscles we need, and with the help of smile, our hormones, our good hormones releases and we feel easy at that time. That's why we need not to angry, we always need to stay calm and quiet. Okay, so children, I hope all of you understood about the muscles and the types of muscles in this class. All of you read this and try to understand it until we meet in our next class. Okay, have a good day all of you.